KSCP Stock Analysis and Price Predictions. Is that a buy? Watch this very short 1-minute video till the end to find out. Looking at Knightscope stock, 9.3% increase in price is solid. But even with that, if I zoom out, it's just in my demand zone where it's actually starting to get juicy. So there's two ways that I'm approaching this. Either the price breaks beneath the low for double break, or for a second break above the high, to kind of transform. Think of it as a way where this red zone that I'm going to turn red right now, because I'm a magician, it will not consolidate inside this red zone forever. So if it only breaks maybe above 570 or beneath 440, only then I'm going to look to try to take things down or up. So I'm just like literally waiting to see what's going to happen first. So waiting for a confirmation. Let me know what is your 2 cents, and if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye.